Very good morning and warm welcome to another episode of A Pulse to A Plus, the education channel. Today we are going to discuss on square and squares. Here we can see some of the properties of square and squares with the help of some presentation charts. Okay, let's go. Come on. Dear students, today we are discussing on squares and squares. The 7th standard chapter. It is very interesting to some of the properties of squares and squares. Let's go and see from the following charts to count. Okay. Here is the first chart. See here. A square pyramid is given. On either sides we can see two pillars. The first pillar on the right side we can see 1 square, 2 square to 10 square. Whereas on the left side, right side we can see 1, 4, 4 means 2 square. Then 3 square is equal to 9, 16, 25 and so on up to 100, which is equal to 10 square. Now, what is in the middle? That's the pyramid of first one. 1 is equal to 1. Let's go to next one. 2 square is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 is here. Now let's go to the next one. 3 square is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 9. 4 square is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2, 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 16. Now 5 square is equal to 1 to 5 is added, then its reverse order is also added, then we will get 25. Now 6 square is equal to up to 6 and again to 1. Then answer is 36. Root of 36 is equal to 67. Look at here. 10 square is equal to up to 10 is added. Then on the reverse order, then we will get 100. Then 100 is root of 100 is equal to 10. Then what is the conclusion we made from this? Have you got an idea? The sum of some numbers continuing from 1 to 1 will be equal to the square of that numbers of numerals. Once more I will say, the sum of some continuous counting numbers beginning from 1 will be equal to the square of that number of numbers. Here we can see, we can take 7. 7 square is equal to, we are adding up to 7. Then it's reverse order. Then we get 14. Square root of 49 is equal to 7. We can go to some supporting charts are here. Here some we can see some supporting charts. Here this is the first chart. 1, 2, 1, 4. 2 square is equal to 1. Here we are adding up to 3. Then reverse order. How much is the answer? 9. Here the next number is 3. 3 square is equal to 4. Here look at here. We are adding up to 4. Then reverse. Then 4 square is equal to 16. Now here up to 5 is added. Here 5 square is equal to 25. Now we can come to next chart. Here up to 16 is 6 is added. So the sum is 36. Root of 36 is 67. Now up to 7 is added. Then the reverse. Here the answer is 49. Root of 49 is 7. Now here look at here. We see up to 8 is added. Then reverse order. The answer is 64. Root of 64 is 87. Come to the next example. Here 1 to 9 and reverse order added. Then the result is 81. Root of 81 is 9. Look at here 1 to 10 is added. Then 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1 respectively. The answer is 100. Root of 100 is 10. That's all about this first chart. First worksheet is this. Now let's come to the next worksheet, second one. Here, what can you see? Here we can see odd numbers are added. First, 1 square is equal to 1 is there. 2 square, first 2 odd numbers, which are the 1 and 3. 1 and 3, sum is 4. Root of 4 is 2. Now, 3 square, how many odd numbers? How many first odd numbers? 1, 3, 5. 3 odd numbers are added. Result is 9. Root of 9 is 3. Here you can see 4 square is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. How many odd numbers are added? 4 odd numbers. Result is 4 square. That is equal to 60. Likewise we can come here last. One is 10 square. How many odd numbers? 10 odd numbers up to 19 is added. The result is 10 square is equal to 100. From this we can understand that the sum of some odd numbers will be equal to the square of the numbers of the number added. We can prove this from some supporting charts are given here. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Here 4 is very clearly seen. Here we can see 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Then 7 also added here. Result is 60. Now here we can see 9 is added. The next odd number is added here. The result is 25. Square root of 25 is 5 square. Now let's come here. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 is added together. The answer is 35. Root of 35 is 6. Here also we can see first 7 odd numbers are added. The result is 7 square, which is equal to 49. We can see here 8 and 9. Here first 8 odd numbers are added together. The result is 8 square, which is equal to 64. Here we can see 9 odd numbers. Result is 9 square, which is equal to 81. Now here 10 odd numbers 1 to 19 are added. The result is 100. Root of 100 is 10. That's all about the second worksheet. Now let's go to the next worksheet, last one. Here we can see an idea to find out the next square, next perfect square. Here see square root of 1. Let's leave 0. 1 square is equal to 0 square plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 square is equal 1 raised to 0 is equal to 1. See, the power of any number, if it is 0, the value will be 1. Here all these 0 powered are equal to 1. So we can come here. 2 square is equal to 1 square plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 raised to 0 is equal to 4. Likewise 3 square is equal to 2 square plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 raised to 0 is equal to 9. Likewise here we can see 4 square is equal to 4, 3 square plus 3 plus 3 plus then 3 raised to 0 is equal to 60. Now we can come here a square. A square is equal to 7 square plus 2 sevens plus here 1 then 64. Let's check it. 7 square is equal to 49. 49 plus 7 56. Then one more 7 63 and 1 64. So in order to get next perfect square we have to add 2 times the root 2 times the square and 1. Then we will get the next perfect square. So it is seen from here. Look at here. Here 9 root of 9 square is equal to 81. We add 1 9 here, 1 9 here and 1 here. 2 9s and 1 here added, then we will get next perfect square, that is 100. So that's all today. That's all about square and square roots. More facts are remaining. Let's discuss in another class. Thank you for watching. Let's wind up this session today. Hope that it was useful. If yes, like, share. If not, subscribe. Please subscribe and bell icon. Here I am signing off. Thank you. Thank you for watching.